Hello everyone. Today's topic is coastal plains and islands. So let's study coastal plain and island. What is the objective to learn the chapter? After doing the chapter, we'll come to know about the coastal plains and islands and physical features and their importance. Along the east and west coast of India lie two strips of plains. These are known as the coastal plains. A coast is the land beside or near the sea or the ocean. India has a beautiful coastline that stretches all around the Indian peninsula. The length of the Indian coastline is about 7,000 kilometers. On the west, we have the western coastal plains, and on the east, we have eastern coastal plains. So, first, we'll talk about the western coastal plains. The western coastal plains lie between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. It is a long, narrow stretch with many small gulfs and bays which form natural harbors. The western coastal plains, we are talking about Mumbai in Maharashtra, Vasco in Goa, and Kochi in Kerala, are the famous natural harbors of this region. There are many ports along the western coast. The western coastal plains are divided into three parts: Gujarat coast, Konkan coast, and Malabar coast. So, first we'll talk about Gujarat coast. Can you see the area of the this is the part of an Indian map if you can see. So the Gujarat coast is the broadest between the Gulf of Kutch and the Gulf of Kambhat. A gulf is an inlet of the sea that has a large area of water partly surrounded by the land. As you can see, the Konkan coast. The south of the Gujarat coast is the Konkan coast, extends up to Goa. The coastline here is narrow, rocky, and uneven. That is why lighthouses along the coast warn ships about the rocks that lie just beneath the surface of the sea. So it is very important to have that lighthouses there because to move in a ship is dangerous there. The Konkan coast is rich in petroleum and many oil wells are found here. Malabar coast. The Malabar lies to the south. The uneven edges of the coastline have also formed a number of lagoons or backwaters. Lagoons are lakes of salt water that get separated from the sea by the barrier island or reefs. Kanyakumari is known for its beautiful sunrise and sunset. The eastern coastline. The major southern river like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri all form deltas along the eastern coastline. The eastern coastline, the land has become fertile due to the mineral rich soil. A lot of paddy is grown here, so this plain is also called the rice bowl of India. It has two main important ports, Chennai and Visakhapatnam. As you can see, the eastern coastline, this coast can be divided into two parts. the northern Caesars and Coromandel coast. You can see in the image. Both these coasts meet at the southernmost point of Indian peninsula, Kanyakumari. This is the southernmost point on the Indian mainland. This is also the place where three water bodies around India meet. Coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. They start from the Ganga Delta in West Bengal and end in Kanyakumari. The islands. Off the coast, deep into the sea, are some small pieces of land surrounded by water on all four sides. These are called islands. There are two groups of islands on both sides of Indian peninsula. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. There are a group of about 300 islands. The capital is Port Blair. These islands are hilly and covered with forests. Here too, only a few of islands are inhabited, mostly by tribal groups. The famous cellular jail is in Andaman. Only 38 islands are inhabited. Now, second type of island is Lakshadweep Islands. They are situated in the Arabian Sea to the west of Kerala. These islands are about 36 in number and their capital is Kavaratti. These islands, which are generally flat, are well known for their coral deposits, but not all of them are inhabited. Only 11 islands out of 36 are inhabited. Importance of coastal plains and islands. Many ports are found along the coast. They are important for inland and foreign trade. We also have many important harbors. Many of the seaside towns are popular holiday and tourist destination because they are very beautiful. Fishing is an important occupation of these coastal plains. A variety of crops such as rice, coconut, and rubber are grown here. Islands are also popular tourist attraction. Let's talk about the climate of the coastal plains. The coastal plains have moderate climate. As they are also close to sea, the days are warm and humid and nights generally cool as the sea breeze blows towards the land at night. So that's all for this topic. Thank you.